Today in this video, I'm gonna explain Xiaomi Redmi A2 hard reset or no command solution. Turn off the mobile device by holding the power key for a few seconds. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously for a couple of seconds. Release all keys when the Android robot image appears on the screen. Press the volume up and power buttons to access recovery mode. Navigate to wipe data or factory reset using the volume keys and confirm with the power button. Confirm the reset by selecting yes using the power. Select reboot system now with the power button. Wait for the hard reset operation to finish, which should take a couple of seconds. Once the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.